Your AI gives you answers. But is it giving you understanding? We're about to code the difference between a shallow guess and a deep, fact-checked insight. Let's build an AI that doesn't just talk, it verifies. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. An AI gives you an answer. It's fast, but is it right? Relying on a single source is a gamble. Instead of just taking its word for it, what if our AI could act like a top-tier researcher, automatically checking multiple sources to find the real, why, behind the answer? That's what we're building today. Want the code? We're starting with a vibe prompt to build an intelligent research assistant. It gets an initial AI answer, hits the web for more context, and synthesizes it all into one verified, deep dive response. For the full prompt that generates this entire script, subscribe and check the link in the description. First, the setup. We import OS, OpenAI, requests, and Beautiful Soup. Then, we initialize the OpenAI client, securely grabbing our API key from an environment variable to keep it safe. Next, a function to get our starting point. We create _get_initial_I_response which sends our user's query to GPT 3.5 Turbo and returns the AI's first attempt at an answer. Now for the research. The _perform _contextual web _search function simulates a web search. We build a Wikipedia URL from the query and use the _requests library to fetch the live HTML content from that page. With the web page's HTML, we need to find the good stuff. Extract _relevant information uses Beautiful Soup to parse the messy content and pull out the main paragraphs, giving us rich, textual context for our AI. Time for synthesis. The synthesize _enriched _I answer function combines the original query, the initial AI answer, and our scraped web data into a new, more detailed prompt for the AI to process. Finally, our main function ties it all together. It takes user input, calls our functions in sequence, and prints the final, enriched, and fact-checked answer. A simple flow for a powerful result. And there you have it. We transformed a simple AI query into a robust research process. We went from a single, unverified answer to a comprehensive, multi-source insight. This isn't just about getting better answers, it's about building an AI you can actually trust. Did you vibe code smarter today?